Ay, ay,
Whoa.
ay.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Man. Okay, well, he's hurt. Okay, hold on, David. I'm just, you're gonna get hit there too if you're not careful.
Does he know he's fucking it up?
Are you kidding me?
What the fuck?
Did you get his life?
It'll actually be cooler.
Oh, God. Damn it. Fucking God damn it!
וואו. יואו, גמר על הרכב. וואו.
ਬਾਰੀ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੁੱਦੀ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਆਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਯਾਰ
Which is even, I feel like, worse.
Your
Yeah.
clothes get damp?
Yeah, exactly.
Or is that like not an issue?
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Today, like the Ed 209. Oh, you're a young guy. You probably would know the RoboCop reboot,
Christ, man.
not the original. Oh no.
Western Express, what the...
That you're supposed to come up with. Yes, I don't understand why you talk so fucking much.
Oh man, he does not seem very happy. Fake bank accounts and AI webcams help, but simply talking and refusing to listen makes it scary.
That's just the cold hard truth. I still throw a few back, talk a little smack, when I'm feeling bulletproof.
If we're gonna have these instant cars, we would not have these videos, right?
So maybe they're good for something.
This video is made for educational purposes
Idiot.
and contains significant original text commentary.
During World for our audience. Go to Blinkist.com. AM subscriptions for the price of one.
Whoa!
Okay, Garmin.
Oh my, stop! I hate the Garmin thing. Oh my god, they're just gonna drive off?
50 feet down before getting snagged on rocks and being completely out of reach of George. Oh, shit.
They left their license plate? They were trying to get away with a hit and run and the license plate fell off? What the fuck?
Yeah. Hold on there, buddy. I'm not stopping.
Hold on there, buddy.
He just hit you? Wow, that was close. Did you get hit? Nope.
Nope. Damn. Yeah, Waffle House. Have you guys ever been to Waffle House? Oh my god. What's that guy doing? Oh my god. Why are you screaming? No.
There you go.
Oh, they're pissed. Wait, this looks like Texas. Damn. Hello, Aiden. Yeah, Waffle House is like fight night. What the fuck, dude? I mean, he should be mad. That's messed up, man. People just don't be paying attention to the lights, man. Oh! Damn. Holy shit. This shit looked like Los Angeles.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Damn, yeah, what the hell? He needs to he yelled at her that she needs to slow down. That's fucked up. He's the one doing the illegal U-turn on a double yellow line.
Don't pull out if you can't see things. Jesus.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
It's alright.
Were you wanting to do blood work again, or did you want to hold off?
Oh, I'm sorry, I just saw an accident. Yeah, we can do blood work again.
Okay. So is there a day in the next upcoming few weeks that we can do it, just because we're going to want to do it before?
Can I call you back?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
by Tom's father to the scaffolding, time measured in each step and breath. As Tom listened, a preacher read Nichols' final statement. Sheriff White has been very accommodating to me indeed.
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Accommodating to me indeed. I feel... He was a normal guy, all right. We have 2 more chances. The first example when they were both married to other people. Ultimately, they got the married.